Hey, everybody, welcome back to another episode. This episode is just more of a progress update. It's pretty late right now. It is, I don't know, probably like 8. It's almost 8:45 at night, so you guys will be seeing this here in just a little bit after I post it. But I just want to kind of give you an update on the car and where I'm at with it. So I have everything, pretty much everything done and buffed except for the hood. So here's the passenger fender. You see that shine and how nice it is and how pretty it is. So I got this all buffed out, all nice and smooth, good to go. And I got the front valance done as well. You can really tell the difference with the light there. And it's at angles, it's kind of hard to get that light at this angle. But the valance is all done. It's super nice and clean and shiny. And then the passenger fender as well. Here we go. Here's a fender with a light. There we go. You can just see right here, it's all nasty, bubbly. And you move over here and then it's, yeah, there we go. So I got that all done. There's a little bit more buffing I got to do. It's just kind of hard on the roof because there's just a couple spots that I missed when I was buffing it. Like right there's one. Oh, never mind. That's just dust. I know that there's for sure one on the other side. It's clear. But I got this all done. I got the spoiler on. This needs to be buffed down and sanded. I did it off the car, but it's going to be easier to do while it's on the car just because it won't be flopping around. It is dirty. When you buff, it flings crap everywhere. And then no matter how hard I try, it keeps flinging it everywhere. Then I come over here to the passenger side and she's looking all pretty. And the roof, again, she's all pretty. You'll see right here when I get over here, right there's a spot that I missed right here. And there's one right over here that I missed as well. It's right up in there. It's kind of cool because you can really see the metallic sparkling through. It's really cool how they lay down. It's a bunch of trash and that sucks because it's underneath the clear coat, but that's okay. I'm not like super mad at myself. It's a backyard paint job and I can't complain for what it is and how nice it is turning out. Something that I started to do tonight because I was gonna start on the hood here, but I don't know. It's getting kind of late. I've been up since the crack of dawn. My little girl decided to wake me up the crack of dawn. But anyway, I think I might just hold off on that and do that maybe some other time, hopefully just during the week after I get off work or on my lunches or whatever, because I'm working from home right now. But here's what I got. Here's what I'm doing right now. So I went and bought some of these. It's from TCP Global. I got these off of Amazon. Yeah, Amazon. Here's what they are. They're little touch-up pens. And if you look, it's fuzzy. And the cap also comes off like that as well. And you can fill in little scratches as well. So I did that. And what I did is I mixed up some clear coat here. So this is all good to go. And that's mixed up. And then somewhere, in my pocket, I don't know, I lost it. I have some, I got some touch up because I'm gonna try it back here on this little area right here. Where'd it go? I can't even find it now. Oh yeah, down here, a little bit down here. I just wanna hit that and see what it does and how it's gonna look that I burned through on the clear coat there. So give me a sec here and let me get you all set up on a tripod and let me find my little vial of the paint itself and I will show you my results. All right, well, I found it. I put it in my pocket. Spent quite a bit of time looking around for this, but I found it. Before I go put this on, I kind of want to show you what I've been doing here. Actually, I got my valance kind of fixed as well. So there was a crack right here that I was showing you guys. And when I lifted up on it, it would crack. Well, I got that fixed. Is what I did is, like I said, I took some cardboard and I soaked it in some fiberglass resin. And that's what I did. I made a couple slits and I supported it. And then I took my fiberglass and I mixed it with some silica gel, or no, some powdered silica, and made like a thick paste. And then I was able to reinforce it. And the same here on this crack as well. The crack, you know, you could kind of see it up there. So I lift it and it doesn't move at all. And this actually worked out good. I know people have concerns about this being different material than fiberglass and it's not gonna stick. Well, this will stick. I scuffed it up really good, so it is sticking. So I know that that is good to go. Give me a sec, I gotta let me turn off my heater. It's cold out right now. It's like 10 degrees, 15 degrees. But anyway, so yeah, I got that all fixed up, ready to go. So once I'm done with the car, I'll get a cover for it, get it covered. Then I'll start on this. It's gonna get dusty and it's gonna kind of suck. So, but anyway, so let me get you set up on this tripod here. Here's the paint, the actual paint that I mixed up with the metallics and everything. So I just kind of want to put it on and see what it's going to do and how it's going to lay on. So give me a minute. Alrighty, I got you guys all set up here. Man, once I got down to that angle, you can really see how bad this burn through is. Luckily from the top you can't really see it, but you can down on this angle. So this is just what I'm doing. I'm just going to brush this on. Seems to be working okay. And I'm just filling it in. So let me change my angle here. Whoops, bumped you guys out. And I'm just going to continue to paint this on here. Seems to be working actually pretty good. And I'll have the bumper here as well. So it's not like, oh, crap. So it's not like you'll really see it anyway. I mean, you'll see it, but your eyes will be more drawn to the bumper opposed to this corner piece. But I want to cover it up because I know it's here and it will kind of drive me crazy if I don't. I apologize if this isn't turning out. Okay, so I let that dry for a little bit, and then there we go. This is what it's looking like. It's a lot better than it was, and I can't even really tell where the burn through was. So I am happy with that result right now. I got clear coat. I'm just gonna let that dry overnight and then I'll put the clear coat on it. So yeah, that's kind of where I'm at right now. Yeah, my next thing, I gotta figure out what's going on. I keep blowing fuses. When I have the doors open and I hit the brake, it blows a fuse. So I don't know what's going on. That didn't happen until I hooked up the courtesy lights. So I'm gonna disconnect those and then I'm gonna see if it happens and see if it's a courtesy light issue or what issue's going on. So I'm not really sure. So I got to figure that out. And then, yeah, hopefully my next video here will be of me, like I said, not of me doing this, but next video, this should be done. And then we'll be starting on the interior here. I'd like to replace the bolts that are in this B&M shifter. I was only able to get a couple in there. I want to get them all in. So is what I did is I ordered some of these here nut certs, and I'm going to be putting nut certs in on there. And then I got to finish up some wiring. I got to get the second fan in for the radiator. I got to get that wired in. I have the carpet. I got to get the carpet in. And then, yeah, there's a bunch of little things that I need to do that I got to get done, that I got to remember. Oh, also the bumpers. I got to get the rear bumper sanded down and all the hardware for that sanded down. I also got to get the, yeah, there's just a lot of stuff. So I think I need to just get a whiteboard. I need to make a big checklist and then just start checking stuff off of there. So, but anyway, this is a short video. Just wanted to show you guys kind of the progress that I've been making on the car and just a quick update. I think it's looking amazing. I'm super happy with it. It is super dirty right now just because, well, it's in a dusty garage to begin with. But when you, yeah, it's dirty because everything's getting flung off that buffer, and it's flinging stuff around. So when you are buffing, if you don't have windshields in, I suggest covering everything up like I'm doing here and like I have done in the past. I cover as much stuff as I can to avoid getting the fling and stuff everywhere. So a big thing too that I'm noticing is when you're buffing, say your buffer, let me get something to demonstrate here. Here we go. Say this here is the buffer wheel and it spins like this direction. When you're buffing edges and corners, make sure that it's buffing off the edges like that direction. So we're just going to pretend it's still spinning and it's coming off, and you're not buffing in to it, because that's where you get your burn through, is when it's going in. Yeah, I got one more little piece of burn through right here I got to deal with, and that's because I was buffing the wrong way. So let me get that taken care of, and then yeah, that will be good to go. So, but anyway, thanks a lot for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I will get back to y'all. So you guys have a good weekend, and if I don't see you all next weekend, have a wonderful holiday, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and just enjoy the season. So we will see y'all later. Peace.